3, 2, 1. Just look at how gorgeous this view is. First hike of the summer definitely didn't disappoint.
Okay, let's see, go. Get back, Dex. Go, go, go. Get back.
Okay, Dickie, you ready? Are you ready? Hey, Duke. Duke, are you ready to go? You ready to go? Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on, Dickie. Dickie. Okay, Duke, let's go. Come on. Good job. Good job now, Dickie Doo. Hey, Duke. No. You guys ready? Dickie. Dickie. You guys excited? Are you excited? Lucy. Lucy. Hi. We should probably stop and wash the windshield before we get out there. Ew. Gotta stop for some coffee.
Hey, we made it.
Hi, how you doing today?
I'm alright.
Good.
Hey, go for a walk? Ready to ball? Hi. Liquid gold. Oh look.
Yeah, that's them. I wonder if that's the same herd.
For those of you who don't know, Duke once decided that he was going to chase an entire herd of antelope, and they look just like that.
I think it's gonna turn everything. You can see there's trails everywhere. That bridge would be sick.
Oh wow, pretty.
Yeah, I like this better. It's in the road. I hope we can find a field of purple flowers up there somewhere.
That would be nice.
Or yellow. Look at these two on the side. See that?
Yeah.
Is that lavender? Is that what that is?
I don't know.
See, I don't know enough about plants like that. I want to be a botanist. Champion botanist at your service.
I colonized Mars. In your face, Neil Armstrong.
With my own poop. Oh wow, that's a trip. Should I go that way?
No.
Doesn't look very steep. Yeah, it's not very steep. Let's go down there. We haven't done that in front of us for a minute. Tacoma who? Tacoma who? Here we go. I'll go slow around the square. Oh shit, did That's what I think people do is park on the bottom and ride their bikes up.
Yeah.
It'd be easier with a mountain bike. Just go to a low gear. It'll just take time.
Wow, that's pretty.
Yeah, see, this is a forest. Look at that. See, this is what the road looked like in when we were going to Park City on the back way.
Uh-huh.
But it was more of an actual painted road, like more official travel, but it was like this.
Dexter. Hey, buddy. Dexter.
It's weird. I thought it sounded like a big tower on the mountain. Yeah, so this is really our real first outing of the summer.
Yep.
Oh, it's no trespassing. Huh. Snow on the backside. Oh, I didn't even grab my backpack to carry that water.
Oh no.
I was missing something. That road is going down there. You see where that goes?
And we made it. One of the first things we noticed is that they do not have any poop bag holders up here or places to throw them away, so make sure you bring plenty with you and a poopy loop. We'll leave some down in the description for you guys.
Ready?
Go, Dickie, go!
Go. Go.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. We might need to put a counter in the video of how many times I say beautiful. And since Duke is getting a little bit older and he's just so tiny, we let him kind of pace himself. Might end up carrying him for a little bit, and that's okay, as long as he's doing his best. Let's go, Duke, come on, stop marking.
That's my workout.
Yeah. Go, Duke.
Go, come on, go. Let's go. Oh, it fell over there. Way over there. Go, go, go.
One thing we forgot to bring that probably everyone should bring with you if you're taking your dogs hiking is some kind of bear bell or something that you can make a loud noise with, just to kind of deter any animals around you. Luckily, we could hear a lot of like four-wheelers and motorcycles going on around us, so we didn't have to worry about it. Hey! Need some water? Dex, what's this? Hey, Dex.
Very good. There's the quarry. So that road, I wonder if it takes us on the other side of the peak with the opening at the road so we can see down into it.
Yeah, maybe. I think we're gonna get prettier shots here, though. Yeah. Come on, Dex. Let's go, go.
Lucy, go. What's that? What's that?
What's that? Dex, what's that?
Go.
Dexter, what's that? Go, go. Dex. Dex. Come on, let's see us go. Come on, let's go. Come on, go, 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 go.
Hope there's like a waterfall or a stream or something.
Yeah.
They could either be the end or halfway point.
What's that? Did you find some snow? Did you find a stick? Let me see. Dex, did you get the stick? Get the stick, buddy. Get the stick, come on. You get it. Good job.
Lucy, come here. Go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
Let's go. Dexter. Get the stick, come on. Get it.
Go.
Come on, let's go.
Go. Let's go. I don't know if he legit heard something or not, but I don't know.
Okay, Dex, let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Come on, that stick's too big. That stick is too big. Yeah. I know. That stick is too big. Okay, let's go. I know you want this stick, but it's too big. Come on. There you go. Good job, Dex. Let's go. Come on. No. Come on, let's go. He probably just saw like a chipmunk or a squirrel. Yeah. Whoa.
It looked like something from The Witcher.
What's that? Go get it. Go get it. What's that? Yeah, that looks cool. Go get it. What is that? Go get it, Dex. Go get it. Go get that big stick. Go get it. Dex, what's this? What is that? Did you find another stick, buddy? Okay, let me see a stick. Come on.
Dex, what's this? What's this right here? No, what's this? Dex, right here. Dex, right here. Dex, right here. What's this? What's this? Yeah, get it. Yeah, get it. What's this? What's this? Right here. Dex, Dex. What's this right here? Dex, right here. No, right here. Lucy, come here. You might do it. Dex, come on. Lucy, come here. Right here. Lucy. What's this? What's that? Get it. Get it. Yeah, get it. Get it. Get it, Lucy. Make it interesting. What's that? What's that? No, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's that? Yeah, get it. No. There's other sticks around.
Yeah.
Dex, what's this? Yeah, what's that? Get it. Yeah, what's that? Get it. Up here. Nope. Dex, up here. Up here. Yeah, go ahead. Work. Up. Dex, let's go. Go. What's that? Go get it. Yeah, I really saw them latching onto that branch because it's a stick that they like.
That's funny.
But those are there, so.
Why would I work for it when these are right here?
Well, maybe I could put up a pie. Do something. Hey, get it. Get it, Lucy. What's that? Get it, Lucy. What's that? What's that? Go get it. Get it. Get it. See, now she might find something else to buy on too. Go ahead, get it. Go ahead, Dex. Get up there. You can do it. Let's see who figures out the walk. What's that? Keep rotating, Lucy. Go ahead, Dex. Go get it. Go get it, Lucy. Go ahead. What's that? You can do it. What's that? You can do it. You got all sorts of footholds right there. There you go, Dex. There you go, Dex. Oh, here, Dex. Right here. Go. Up. Dex. No, right here. Right here. Right here. Up, Lucy. Up, Lucy. Come up. Up. Dex. Dexter, look. Dex.
Just start climbing up it. Just start walking up it, babe.
Come on. Yeah, come here. Dex, over here. Come on. Let's go. Yep, there you go. Dex. Come here. Here, Lucy, come on. There you go. No, there you go. He's like, oh, yes. Dex. Dexter. Easy, easy, easy. Come here, come here. Right here, come on. Come on. Come on. Come here, Dex. Sit. Easy. Easy. Right here, right here. This way, this way, this way. Go, 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 go. I think he's just getting scared. Yeah, come on. Over here. He just wants to jump over it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go, go. Go. Yeah, I can't throw it very far. Come here, good boy. Sit. Sit, Lucy. Sit, Lucy.
This is a cute
Sit,
shot.
Lucy. Stay. Stay. Oh, did it really fall off the edge? No, Dex! 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 Oh, come here! Come here! Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. I threw it up there and it fucking catapulted over there. So I was worried about it. Blooper reel. Me running out there. Oh shit, he ran off the edge.
Thanks, puppies.
Sitting here trying to jump over you and not fall on you. Sit. 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 This could be the,
Yep, do it. Keep doing it.
the thumbnail. Lucy, what's this? What's this? Sit. 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 With Dexter in the back. So
Yeah.
you get his face right in the middle of her mouth. What's that? That was the one. Okay, look, try to look more through her mouth and see if you can see his face. No, like down there. Yeah. See his face back there lit up?
Yeah.
Okay, get it. Lucy, Lucy. Nope, Lucy, sit, sit. This is where high speed comes in. Lucy. I know, they're bugs. Come here, psst, come here. Sit, sit, sit. Get back, get back. Sit right there. Nah, what's this? What's this? Did that work? That was close. Lucy, what's this? Lucy, what's this? Lucy, what's this? Oh, it's not on tree.
Let's go. What are you doing? Let's go.
Go, Lucy, go, Lucy, go, Lucy, go, go, Lucy, go, Lucy. Go, 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 go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Once we reached the end of the hike, we found the perfect place to take some photos, and they turned out absolutely beautiful. And we were so proud of Duke. He did so good. He made it all the way without stopping, and we didn't need to carry him. We made sure the puppers got some more water and had plenty of time to rest. Oh, the belly scratches. Oh, the belly scratches. He's like, why'd you stop? Why'd you stop? And of course, Dexter had plenty of energy to keep going, but he still had so much fun, and we even let Duke run around a little bit off leash. Since he's so small, I hate leaving him off leash when we're out like this, but I do like to give him just a minute or two just to kind of explore. I just make sure he stays super close. And Lucy found this cute little spot in the shade with all these leaves, so we did another little photo shoot over here. You guys need to see just how cute it turned out. That's a good girl. And now we're heading back, even though Dexter really didn't want to.
Come on. No.
And honestly, the views were so beautiful on the way down. It was even more beautiful than on the way up. Let us know in the comments if you want to see more hiking vlogs from us. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.